The seasons come and go, as do the houses on the market. Curb appeal, less competition, and serious buyers are just some of the many benefits to listing your home in the winter. Surprisingly enough, the winter months may also be the most wonderful time of the year to buy a home. Now that we've entered sub-zero temperatures, here are 5 reasons why you should brave the cold this season and join the hunt for your dream home. What type of seller lists their home in the winter? A motivated one. Sellers who list in the winter either did not have much luck in the peak real estate season or are eager to sell in the now. This means the seller might be more willing to negotiate on the selling price, closing cost, closing date, or even any other terms in the sale within the slow winter months. Work with a realtor, such as me, to determine a negotiation strategy to ensure you aren't making an unreasonable demand and are coming up with a fair offer. Number 2, less competition. In the same way there are fewer sellers in the winter, there are also, generally speaking, fewer buyers as well. Are you worried about a crowd full of competition at your dream home's open house? Lower market activity means you are much less likely to fall into a bidding war with the other buyers. Between holiday planning, vacations, and a natural urge to hibernate, fewer people are inclined to look for a house in the winter season. Number 3, reality check. In the winter months, chances are impeccable landscaping and well-manicured shrubs are replaced with blankets of snow and icicles hanging from the gutters. Without obvious elements of curb appeal, the buyer will get to see the house for what it truly is and will be less likely to overlook the key functional elements in this winter time. Number 4, winter durability. Buying a home in the winter lets you see firsthand how the home functions in the colder months. Are the windows and doors draft-proof? Is the heating evenly distributed throughout the house? These are the important factors that are much more difficult to evaluate in the spring and in the summer. All major systems include plumbing, heating, roof, and gutters are put to the test in this winter time. And finally, number 5, hiring movers is easier. While it may not be easier to move all of your possessions in the inclement of the weather, hiring movers is. Moving in the winter months, when there are less people buying, means there are fewer moving households that need to compete with, simplifying the logistics of your moving day. The weather outside might be frightful, but searching for a home in the winter can be delightful. While it is true the market slows down in the winter, there are still many benefits to buying a home in the off-season. If you have any questions about real estate or how you can plan your next move in this winter, please don't hesitate to contact me or my team, as we will create the right strategy that suits your needs. That's all for now, guys. Have a good holidays, and I'll see you next time.